Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to push project/code to GitHub from Visual Studio Code. It's really simply and easy. So here I am in the folder. I want to open that in my VS Code from the Git bash here, and I will type here code face dot and my VS Code will open. I am trusting the authors. It's my project. In the extension section, you will type code spaces because you have to install that extension. Then tap on this first one and tap on this install. Make sure that it is installed and it is enabled. Then go to the folder, project folder, and you have to connect to code space right here. So when you will connect to code space, then it will trigger a repository that where you want to push your project, and it's totally depend on the available repository from your GitHub. So you should already connect your GitHub to your Visual Studio Code. Now you can check the repository of your project, the index file, and here you have to update the header. Here is the header in the comment section, and this is the updated file right now, and I will commit that index.html file to my repository, just doing a check to connect, check, and then do sync. And now you will see the updated file after refreshing the. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to push project or code to GitHub from Visual Studio Code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.